Hello students of class 9, this is your general mathematics exercise 7.2. In our earlier video we have completed exercise 7.1 and now we will go to exercise 7.2. And whatever these theorems and examples are there, we will discuss after we complete all the exercises, okay, from this chapter. So exercise 7.2 you see, first question, okay, exercise 7.2, first question. Let me draw first question. So first question saying, in an isosceles triangle ABC, with AB is equals to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O, join A to O so that OB is equals to OC, OA bisect angle A. So first of all, in the question it is given, exercise 7.2 question number 1, it is given, in an isosceles triangle ABC. That means first of all I will have to draw an isosceles triangle. Okay. Let this be an isosceles triangle ABC. Understand? In an isosceles triangle ABC, what's saying AB is equals to AC. Okay, AB is equals to AC given. AB is equals to AC given. The bisectors of angle B, and angle C intersect each other at O. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. This is O. Okay, this will be our O. This is O, and join A to O. It is joined. I have to show that OB is equal to OC. I have to show. Understand? OB is equals to OC. I have to show. Okay, and then I have to show that OA bisect angle A. OA bisect angle A. So first of all, again I am repeating. In the question, it is saying that ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC given. Understand? The bisector, that means OB bisect angle B. Understand? OB bisect angle B, and OC. OC is the bisector of angle C. OC bisects angle C. Understand? And these two bisectors intersect at point O, and A and O, these 2 points I will have to join it. Understand? Join A to O. I have to show that OB is equals to OC. These two bisectors are equal, and OA bisect angle A. This much I will have to show. So first of all, I will write what is given. Okay, what is given? Given here is that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. And next it is given that AB is equals to AC. Yes, AB is equals to AC given. And next it is given that OB and OC intersect each other. OB and OC intersect each other at what? At O. Okay. OB and OC intersect each other at O. Understand? Now I have to prove that. What I have to prove here? I have to prove that first one. That is OB is equals to OC. I have to prove. Yes, OB is equals to OC. I have to prove. Understand? This is our first proof, and the next I have to prove is that AO bisect angle A. These two things I will have to prove here. Okay, these two things I will have to prove here. Understand? So now I will start the proof. PROOF. Now I will start the proof. So in proof, what I will write? I will write that since AB is equals to AC, and this is our given. AB is equals to AC. This is our given. So therefore I can say that angle B is equals to angle C. in triangle, these things in lower classes we have already learned, that in triangle, in here in this triangle, let's say AB is equals to AC, then the angles opposite to them, understand, the angles opposite to them will be also equal. That means AB is equals to AC, then I can say that angle B is equals to angle C. Okay, and angle B is equals to angle C. What reason I will give? This is given in your theorem 7.2. Theorem 7.2. One thing I want to say is that in the note I have given it in this way, theorem 7.2, but in the exam hall you will have to write the whole theorem. Theorem 7.2, one time I am reading the theorem. This one. Angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. This thing you will have to write down in here in place of theorem. This one just means in the note I have given, but in the exam hall you don't do like that. Theorem 7.2 like that you don't write in the exam hall. In the exam hall you write the complete theorem. Angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. This sentence you will have to write down in here. But for the time being, let's say this is theorem 7.2. Understand? Now what I will do, I will divide, you see now what I will do, angle B by 2 will be is equals to angle C by 2. Okay, angle B by 2 will be is equals to angle C by 2. Both sides 2 with I will divide, or you can say that angle B is equals to angle angle C, and angle B by 2 will be also equals to angle C by 2. Understand? Angle B by 2 will be also equals to angle C by 2. In the bracket I can write that, you see OB is the bisector of angle B. Yes or no? OB is the bisector of angle B and OC is the bisector of angle C. Understand? Yes. So angle B, this whole angle is equals to this whole angle, and this angle if I divide it by 2, this whole angle B if I divide it by 2. So in here either I can take this angle, yes, OBC I can take, or I can take OBA, because OBA and OCA, these two angles will be equal because OB bisect angle B. Yes, and angle C is this whole angle C, and if angle C if I divide it by 2, so now either I can write OCB or I can write OCA. In the bracket I will write OB and OC. Why angle B by 2 will be equals to angle C by 2? Because OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C. Okay, are bisectors of angle OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and C. So now this whole angle is angle B. Yes, angle B by 2. Now either I can take this angle OBC I can take, or OBA I can take. Yes or no? So in here I will take OBC I will take, because in here I have to prove that OB equals to OC. So if I can show that angle OBC is equals to angle OBA, yes, then by theorem 7.3 I can say that OB is equals to OC. That means if two sides are equal in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. Or you can say that if the angles, if two angles of a triangle are equal, then the sides opposite to those angles are also equal. Understand? Okay. So now in angle B by 2 I have written, yes. So in place of angle B by 2 I will write OBC. Angle OBC is equals to this one I will take OCB. Angle OCB. Yes. So therefore I can write that, therefore what? OB is equals to OC. And this is from theorem 7.3. Like that you don't write, okay, in the exam hall theorem 7.3 like that you don't write, you write the complete theorem. Theorem one time I am reading and giving. Theorem 7.3, it is saying that the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Understand? The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So since in here I show that these two angles are equal, angle OBC is equals to angle OCB. You look at this small triangle, OBC triangle, you see. OBC, angle OBC is equals to angle OCB I showed. So therefore I can say that OB is equals to OC. And this is by theorem 7.3. Understand? One time again I am explaining here what I have done. This is an isosceles triangle given where AB is equals to AC. Understand? AB is equals to AC and OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and C. Okay, and I have to join these two bisectors intersect at point O, and point A and point O I have to join. Understand? Now I have to prove that OB is equals to OC. These two bisectors are equal. That one I have to prove here. First one. So in the first one proof, what I will do, since AB is equals to AC given, therefore angle B will be equals to angle C. And this is from theorem 7.2. Understand? This theorem 7.2 whole theorem, you write it down in here. And then you see, since OB and OC are bisectors, so therefore if this whole angle B is equals to angle C there, so next time you see angle B by 2 will be also equals to angle C by 2. Understand? Since angle B is equals to angle C, so therefore angle B by 2 will be also equals to angle C by 2. Why? Because OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and C. Understand? So this whole angle is B, OB is the bisector. So when angle B, when I divide it by 2, then I can write OBC, I can write, or I can write OBA. But instead of writing OBA, I will write OBC. Understand? And then same in the right hand side, I will write is equals to angle OCB. Angle C by 2 there, no? Angle C by 2. That means this whole angle, it is angle C. I have divided into two equal parts. So therefore, I can either write OCB or I can write OCA. But instead of writing OCA, I will write OCB. So what I showed here, I showed that angle OBC is equals to angle OCB. So therefore, these two sides will be equal. And this is how OB equals to OC. These two sides will be equal. And this is from theorem 7.3. You write the whole theorem. Understand? Now I will go to prove the second one. Okay, this is our first proof. Now I will do the second one. Okay, second one proof you see. Second one proof. So in here you see again. Second one I have to prove that OA bisect angle A. Understand? That means in here OA bisect angle A means what I have to show, that this angle is equals to this angle. That one I have to show here. So therefore I will take in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. Which two triangles I have taken? AOB, this triangle, AOB, this triangle, okay, AOB, and the next which AOC, these two triangles I have taken. Look very carefully which two triangles I have taken, this triangle and this triangle. Understand? So now in here what I can say? I can say that AB is equals to AC, and this is our already given. Yes, AB is equals to AC. This is the isosceles triangle. AB is equals to AC. This is already our given. And next what I can say? I can say that OB is equals to OC. I have already proved it. In the first proof, OB is equals to OC. I have already proved it. OB is equals to OC. In the bracket I will write already proved. Okay, already proved. Finished. And then what I can say, OA is equals to OA is equals to OA, or AO is equals to AO, whatever you write. AO is equals to AO. Why AO is equals to AO? Because in these two triangles, AO is the common side. Yes, this is the common side. This is the common side. Yes. So now what I got in these two triangles? AB equals to AC, OB equals to OC, AO is equals to AO. So what I can say? These two triangles are congruent, I can say. Yes or no? So therefore I can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. By what postulate congruent? SSS. Understand? By SSS these two triangles are congruent. So now you see, since these two triangles are congruent, so these two angles will be equal. Yes or no? By CPCT this angle will be equals to this angle. Yes, so therefore I can write, I am writing it in here, okay, the right hand side I am writing. So therefore I can say that angle BAO, angle BAO is equals to angle OAC. OAC. Why these two angles are equal? By CPCT. CPCT. Yes, by CPCT. Okay, so therefore I can say that therefore AO bisects angle. This is very easy there. I think you have already understood. These two triangles I have taken and I showed that these two triangles are congruent by SSS. So therefore, since these two triangles are congruent, these two angles will be equal. I can say by CPCT. So at last I can say that these two angles are equal. I already showed. That means what? AO bisect angle A. Understand? AO bisect angle A. That one. Okay. AO bisect angle A. So I hope you have understood. Next I will go to question number 2. Okay. Next I will go to question number 2. So question number 2 in here you see. Very easy there, okay. These are not hard, very easy there. Question number 2, this is the diagram given. Okay, let me draw the diagram first. This is the diagram given. A, B, C and AD, this is your 90 degree. Okay. So what are the things given in here? Let me see. What are the things given? So triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is what? Perpendicular bisector of BC. That means BD is equals to CD. I got. Understand? BD equals to CD. This is given because AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. That means this AD, okay, this perpendicular bisect BC. Yes, therefore perpendicular bisector saying. Understand? AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so therefore I got what? BD equals to CD. This is I got. Next I have to show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. So AB equals to AC I have to prove here. Okay, AB is equals to AC I have to prove here. If I can show that AB equals to AC, then I can say that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so now in here, what are the things given? Okay, this is our given that ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Yes, and AD perpendicular BC given. Yes, AD perpendicular BC given. Okay, and BD is equals to DC. Yes, BD is equals to DC. I can say. Why I can say? Because AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay. Now I have to prove that. What I have to prove here? I have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. This one I have to prove. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle. This one I have to prove. Now I will start the proof here. So what I will do, in triangle ABD, these two triangles I will take. Okay, ABD and ACD, these two triangles I will take. In triangle ABD and triangle, okay, let me do one thing. Let me do the proof in here. Okay, in the right hand side. Let me do the proof in the right hand side. Understand? So proof. So what I will take, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay, this triangle and this triangle. So in these two triangles, what I can write? First of all, I can write that angle ADB. This angle, okay, ADB, this angle. This angle will be 90 degrees. Yes or no? Because AD is the perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. Yes or no? AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Yes. So therefore this angle will be 90 degrees. So ADB will be equals to ADC. This angle will be also, it will be 90 degrees. These two angles will be equal. Understand? AD, these two angles will be equal. Yes or no? This is 90, this is also 90. So ADB will be equals to angle ADC. angle ADC equals to 90 degree. Yes, equals to 90 degree. This one what I will write? Equals to 90 degree, and this is our given. You can write given, or you can write since AD is perpendicular to BC. Understand? Since AD is perpendicular to BC, so therefore these two angles will be equals to 90 degree. This is given. Understand? And then next what I can write? I can write that BD is equals to DC. BD is equals to DC I can write. Okay, and this is also what? This is also given. This is also given. Okay, and the last what I can write? AD is equals to AD. AD is equals to AD. This is what? This is common side. Okay, in these two triangles, this is the common side. So therefore I can say that triangle ABD, congruent triangle ACD by what? By SAS. In here 90 degree there, you don't write RHS. So okay, don't write RHS. In here 90 degree there, but in here hypotenuse equal I am not saying. Understand? Hypotenuse equal I am not saying. You see, this angle is equals to this angle. Yes or no? This angle is equals to this angle. And BD is equals to DC. And AD equals to AD. Understand? This whole thing, it is becoming in this way. You see, SAS proved doing. Yes or no? In here angle should be included. Yes, between two corresponding equal sides, the angle should be equal. Angle should be included. So this is in here, angles are included only. You see, this is one triangle. This is one triangle. Yes, and another is ADC. This is ADB. Okay, separately I am showing these two triangles. One is ADB, and the another one it is ADC. Yes, what I showed, that this angle is equals to this angle. This angle is equals to this angle. Yes or no? Why they are equal? Because AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, or you can say that this is given because it is already given. Yes or no? And this angle equals to this angle. And then next what I showed, BD is equals to DC. DC I showed BD equals to DC because AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So therefore AD bisect BC also. Yes, BD equals to, since BD equals to DC. Yes, this is given. BD equals to DC. And then next what I showed, AD equals to AD. AD equals to AD I showed. Yes or no? AD equals to AD. Because why? Because this is the common side. Now you see, the angle is included. This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. And angle is included. This is SAS. Understand? SAS. RHS don't write. Okay, in a 90 degree there. But in a hypotenuse equal I am not showing. Therefore this will be SAS. Understand? SAS. So therefore after these two triangles are congruent, so I can say that AB is equals to AC. How? CPCT. Yes, this is by CPCT. This is, I said, AB equals to AC I showed. Then directly I can say, therefore ABC is an isosceles. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Understand? ABC is an isosceles triangle. Finished. This is our proof. Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is our proof. I hope you have understood. Next I will go to question number 3. So okay, for this video, 2 problem sums I have done. Okay, in next video we will start from question number 3. Understand? If you have got any doubt, you please write it in the comment section. In this chapter, exercise 7.3 and exercise 7.4, up till exercise 7.4 there. Okay, no problem. We will complete this chapter soon. Okay, for this video I have made only I have done only 2 problems. In the next video we will start from question number 3. Okay, thank you.